Imagine the sun simply switched off and vanished. On Earth, nothing changes. Warm sunlight keeps landing on your face. For about 8 minutes, the sky keeps the secret. The last light is already on its way. It crosses space at the fastest speed there is. Even so, the gap to Earth is enormous. News of the disaster cannot arrive early. This episode rides with that very last light. We will watch the darkness sweep across the solar system. We will see what Earth loses and what it keeps. And we will learn why the sky is never live television. First, an honest warning. Real stars cannot simply disappear. Energy and mass do not vanish from the universe. This is a thought experiment, a flashlight we point at physics. Our guide is an old friend, the photon. A photon is the smallest packet of light. The glowing dot is only a teaching symbol. Real photons are not tiny shining marbles. In vacuum, light travels about 300,000 kilometers each second. Nothing carries news faster than that. Not radio signals, not starlight, not anything. Remember that rule. The whole story depends on it. Picture the last light as one thin, growing shell. Its edge is a perfect sphere racing outward. Inside the shell lies darkness and old starlight. Outside, the solar system has not heard the news. Every second, the shell grows by 300,000 kilometers. That is like lapping Earth 7 times between 2 heartbeats. No planet can dodge it. No spacecraft can outrun it. Our photon rides on that shining edge. It carries the very last picture of the sun. Whoever it touches sees sunshine end. Until it arrives, nobody can know. Mercury loses the light first. Its last sunshine fades about 3 minutes after the vanishing. Venus follows near the 6-minute mark. The darkness spreads outward like a tide. Earth's turn comes at 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Blue sky fades through one last sunset into starlight. About a heartbeat later, the moon winks out too. Moonlight was only borrowed sunlight all along. The Martian sky darkens near the 13-minute mark. Jupiter keeps its cloud bands lit for about 43 minutes. Each world gets the news on its own schedule. Distance alone decides the delivery time. Saturn's golden rings stay lit for about 80 minutes. Neptune keeps its pale glow for roughly 4 hours. The solar system does not go dark together. It goes dark in slow, expanding rings. Far beyond the planets, Voyager 2 flies through interstellar space. Sunlight would need more than half a day to stop arriving there. The old probe would hardly care. It runs on its own nuclear warmth, not sunshine. Light is not the only messenger with a speed limit. Gravity obeys the very same rule. Changes in gravity ripple outward at light speed. We measured this with colliding stars and gravitational waves. So Earth does not fly away at the vanishing instant. For 8 more minutes, the old pull still arrives. Our planet keeps orbiting a sun that is not there. The darkness and the letting go arrive together. When the pull ends, Earth does not spiral anywhere. It simply keeps its current speed and direction. It leaves the orbit along a straight line, like a released slingshot stone. That speed is about 30 kilometers every second. The night side of Earth would face this calmly. The stars would keep shining exactly as before. They make their own light, unlike the planets. Slowly, new constellations would drift into view. At first, the air would only feel like ordinary night, but no morning would come to repay the heat. Within about a week, average temperatures would sink below minus 18 degrees Celsius. Within a year, they would plunge toward minus 73. Sunlight is the engine of our weather and our food. Photosynthesis stops without it, on land and at sea. The food chains above it would starve in the dark. Most of the surface world runs on daily sunshine. The oceans would resist the longest. Water holds warmth stubbornly, so ice would seal the surface slowly. Beneath that ice, deep water would stay liquid for ages. Earth would become a white, silent marble among the stars. Humans are clever with leftover warmth. Geothermal heat and stored fuel could power refugees for a while. But this chapter is not really about rescue plans. It is about what the sun quietly does every single day. Now dive beneath the frozen ocean surface. Kilometers down, hot vents still smoke on the seafloor. Their heat comes from Earth's own interior, not the sky. Around them, whole communities live without any sunlight today. These creatures eat chemistry instead of light. Microbes turn vent minerals into energy. Larger animals graze on those microbe gardens. An entire food web glows in the dark. So even this catastrophe would not sterilize Earth. Life is stubborn, patient, and inventive. In the deep dark, some of it would simply carry on, waiting as it has always waited, near the warmth. Meanwhile, the shell of last light keeps flying outward. About 4 years after the vanishing, it reaches the nearest star system. Proxima Centauri is about 4.225 light-years away. Only then would its planets see our sun go out. Think about what that means for tonight's real sky. The sunlight the sun sent 1 year ago is now 1 light-year away. Our star wears its whole history as nested shells of light. Every star you see is doing exactly the same. Distant astronomers could replay our sun's story for ages. Its old light would keep arriving somewhere, further and further out. A star can vanish and still be seen for centuries. The universe forwards every message at exactly light speed. This is why the sky is never live television. You see the moon as it was 1 second ago. You see the sun from 8 minutes ago. Every glance upward is a look into the past. Now let go of the thought experiment. Step outside. The sun is exactly where it belongs. It has been shining for about 4.5 billion years. It should shine for about 5 billion more. But keep what the vanishing taught us. Light is a messenger with a strict speed limit. Gravity keeps the same speed limit. And distance means delay, everywhere in the universe. So tomorrow at noon, feel the warm light land. It left the sun while you were doing something else entirely. 8 minutes of space lie folded inside that warmth. The sun writes, the sky delivers, and we, at last, read.